Welcome to Excel with Mark. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create a drop-down list in Excel. Well, let's have a look. We'll use this short questionnaire to see how simple it is to create a drop-down menu, and you'll be able to use these steps to create a list with any data you need. The answer to the first question will be a specific month of the year. So, if you want to make a drop-down menu with more options, it might be a good idea to create the list somewhere else, for example, in a different spreadsheet. I myself added a new spreadsheet, named it Months, and made a list of months that'll be used for our drop-down menu. Now we'll click back on the spreadsheet, questionnaire, and create our first drop-down list. Click in the cell in which you want to create the drop-down menu. Then click on the tab Data, go to Data Tools, and select the option Data Validation. Find Settings in the pop-up window and select List from the menu. Now you need to tell Excel where to find the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon on the right of the Source box. Here we'll click through to the spreadsheet Months and select all months we want to include in the list. Press Enter and you've defined the contents of your drop-down list. Click on OK, and you're done. The column with your answer now contains a drop-down list from which you can choose your favorite month. As soon as you create the list, you can only pick from the options you've defined. If anyone tries to type in a different option, Excel will not allow it. Well, let's move on and see how to create a short drop-down menu made of only two options. We'll have a look at the second question, where, in the part Your Answer, there will be just yes or no. As you already know, the first step will be selecting the cell in which we want to create the drop-down list. Then we'll click on the Data tab, go to Data Tools, and find Data Validation. Again, we'll select the List option, but now we'll just type into the box the words Yes and No, separated by a comma. When both options are selected, click OK, and the job is done. The simple drop-down list has been created. If you want to know how to edit the drop-down menu, change the options, or remove the list completely, watch our next video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.